The drone industry is likely to see continued advancements in technology. This includes improvements in battery life, range, obstacle avoidance, artificial intelligence, and other capabilities. These advancements could lead to more versatile and efficient drones for various applications. Drones are increasingly being used in various industries such as agriculture, construction, insurance, and logistics. As technology improves, the range of applications for drones is likely to expand, leading to further integration into mainstream business operations. Governments worldwide are working on establishing and refining regulations for drone operations. As technology evolves, so will the regulatory landscape. Striking a balance between ensuring safety and allowing innovation will be crucial for the sustainable growth of the drone industry. Autonomous drone technology is likely to become more sophisticated, enabling drones to perform complex tasks without constant human intervention. Additionally, the concept of drone swarms, where multiple drones collaborate and coordinate their actions, could find applications in various fields, including surveillance, agriculture, entertainment, and search and rescue operations. Companies like Amazon and others are actively exploring the use of drones for package delivery. If regulatory hurdles can be overcome, we may see an increase in drone deliveries for small packages in urban and rural areas. Drones have the potential to play a significant role in public safety and emergency response scenarios. They can be used for tasks such as search and rescue, disaster assessment, and monitoring critical situations from the air. Drones equipped with sensors can be employed for environmental monitoring, including tracking deforestation, monitoring wildlife, and assessing the impact of climate change. This could become a crucial application in the future as concerns about the environment continue to grow. Consumer drone technology is likely to continue evolving, with improved camera capabilities, ease of use, and affordability. This could lead to increased adoption for recreational purposes, aerial photography, and other consumer applications. The adoption and growth of the drone industry will depend on various factors, including regulatory decisions, public acceptance, technological breakthroughs, and economic considerations. The future of the drone industry is promising, but it will also involve addressing challenges related to privacy, safety, and regulatory frameworks.